Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an important concept in Vedic Maths, which is Vinculum Subtraction. So Vinculum Subtraction is basically the reverse subtraction. And before watching this video, if you don't know what exactly Vinculum and de-vinculum is, I would request you to kindly watch the video and get back to this video. And the link is shared in the description box below. So ideally, Vinculum is you introduce bar on a number. That means just like we use integer rules in the normal maths, in the academic maths, it's the same way. Here, Vinculum means the negative number. It's a minus number. So I'll be sharing the link of integer rules also, and I would request you to kindly watch all the videos and get back to this so that you will feel this video concept is much more easier. So let's get started with 2-digit first. The first number is 24 minus 19. So here the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend, so I'll do the reverse subtraction. That is 9 minus 4 will give me 5. So when I do the reverse subtraction, I'm going to introduce bar on the number. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. I can take that one as it is. Now I have to de-vinculate this number. So to de-vinculate, if you are aware of de-vinculation, then it's fine. If you're not aware, again, the link is shared in the description box. I would request you to kindly check that. So to de-vinculate, 10 minus 5 would give me 5. I'm going to remove the bar from the number. And D is you have to reduce 1. So I'm going to put a 0. My final answer would be 5. Likewise, 32 minus 14. 4 minus 2 will give me 2. I'm going to put a bar on 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now de-vinculate this. 10 minus 2 is 8 and decrease by 1, which is 1. And 18 is my final answer. 54 minus 37. 7 minus 4 will give me 3. So I'll put a bar on that. 5 minus 3 is 2. De-vinculate this. 10 minus 3 will give me 7. I've removed the bar. Decrease by 1, which is 17. 61 minus 46. 6 minus 1 will give me 5. Put a bar on that. 6 minus 4 will give me 2. And de-vinculate this. 5, I have removed the bar and decreased by 1. The answer is 15. Now let's try with large numbers like 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit. 324 minus 179. 9 minus 4 will give me 5 bar. 7 minus 2 will give me 5 bar. 3 minus 1 will give me 2. Whenever the minuend is larger than the subtrahend, you're going to write the number as it is. So here we are following the sign rules. So the larger number sign will be taken following the same rule. Now we have to de-vinculate this number. 10 minus 5 would give me 5. 9 minus 5 would give me 4 and decrease by one number, which is 1. And my final answer is 145. 5 minus 6 is not possible, so 6 minus 5 is 1 bar. 7 minus 4 is 3 bar. 4 minus 2 is 2 and de-vinculate this. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 3 will give me 6. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 bar. 4 minus 2 is 2 bar. 6 minus 3 is 3. And to de-vinculate, 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. And that will be my final answer. This method is very useful for kids who are struggling to do the subtraction or to learn subtraction. If you teach this method, it will be very easy for them. But the condition is they should know how to vinculate and de-vinculate a number. That process is a little tedious, so it is always suggested for kids above 8 years. 5648 minus 3799. 9 minus 8 is 1 bar. 9 minus 4 is 5 bar. 7 minus 6 is 1 bar. 5 minus 3 is 2 and you have to de-vinculate this number. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this will be my final answer. You can start from this side also. You can do from left to right also in the Vinculum method. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 bar. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1 bar. Now we'll have to devinculate this number. This is a little tricky one, so kindly observe. 10 minus 1 is 9. I've removed the bar. Now the condition is the previous number should be decreased by 1. But I have a 0. So what I'll do is I'll do 9 minus 0 will be 9. 9 minus 1 will give me 8. And now decrease the number by 1. So it will be 0. Now continue. 10 minus 8 will be 2. And decrease this number by 1. So my final answer will be 1,20,899. I hope this video was helpful. If you felt the same, then please do like this video and do share it with your friends and family. And for those who are interested in Vedic Maths, and if you feel my videos are benefiting you, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. See you all in my next video. If you have any questions, you can always comment so that I'll make a video on the questions you ask. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.